Guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to learn how to feature your best blog posts right onto your site. So follow along. Once you're done creating your post, go to the Settings tab on the left. Scroll down to the very bottom and make sure to enable the Feature This Post option. Don't forget to click on Save. And if this post has previously been published already, you're going to need to click on Publish again in order for the changes to take effect on your live blog post as well. So now it's time to add the post list element to our site. So go to the Wix editor, go to the plus button on the left, go to blog, and then go to post list. You can use the large post list layout or the small post list layout. It depends on you. Drag and drop your selected or your chosen post list layout onto your page. Once it's added, click on it and click on settings. Here on the settings tab, make sure to toggle the show featured posts only button on. Once you do that, only featured posts will show up on this post list. You can then click on save to save your changes or publish to publish your site or your changes to your already live site. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.